Hello everyone, myself Deepak. Currently I am pursuing BTech in Mission Institutional Technology, CSE branch. I secured 9.41 CGPA. I want to become a full stack developer. Today I am discussing about objects in JavaScript. Basically in JavaScript, an object is a collection of data and function. Means properties are key. It will store the key value pairs. While methods are functions associated with the object that can manipulate its properties. Let's see the syntax. Yes, let let's give an object name equal to key value. This is the pair of key value pair. Creating an object, let an object name, suppose O equal to name, suppose age 19, then print it. Console.log of here the object. Let's see an accessing the data. Accessing suppose console.log. I want to access the name o dot name. The name. Modifying the object. Here we see the modifying the object like o dot is I want to modify the age 20, then print it. Console.log of object. Here you see 20. These are the creation, accessing, and modifying the objects. Next topic is about functions in JavaScript. Basically, function is a block of code which executes whenever we call. Let's see the syntax of function definition. Function, let's give the function name and the parameters. It's a block of code. Function call, function name, and pass the arguments. Function can be used multiple times, reducing redundancy. And the benefits are break down complex problems into manageable pieces. Call themselves to solve programs recursively. Let's see an example program. Let function function name. I'm giving add function. Then parameters a comma b. Then I return a plus b. Then I'm calling the function. Print statement console.log of add of 5 comma 4. The output is 9. Then we see about arrow functions in JavaScript. Arrow functions are the anonymous functions. They are functions without a name and are not bound by an identifier. Arrow functions do not return any value, can be declared without the function keyword. They are also called lambda functions. Arrow functions do not have the prototype property, like these arguments are super. Arrow functions cannot be used with the new keyword. Arrow functions cannot be used as constructors. Let's see an example for arrow function. Let equal to a comma b. Arrow function give the arrow a plus b console.log add 1 comma 2. Three. Here is about the arrow functions and functions in JavaScript. Let's see a difference between var, let and const. First of all, var. The scope of a var variable is a function or a global scope. In let, the scope of let variable is a block scope. In const, the scope of const variable is also in block scope. It can be declared without initialization. Var. Let, it can be declared without initialization. Const cannot be declared without initialization. Var can be updated and redeclared in a same scope. Let can be updated but can't be declared in same scope. Const can neither be updated or nor be declared in any scope. Var can be accessed without initialization as its default value is undefined. Let cannot be accessed without initialization, otherwise it's given reference error. Const cannot be accessed without initialization as it cannot be declared without initialization. Var variables are host. Let variables are host but stay in the temporal dead zone until the initialization. Const variables are host but stays in a temporal dead zone until the initialization. This is about the var, let and const differences. Let's move on to JavaScript modules. JavaScript modules are reusable pieces of code that are stored in separate files. These allow to organize and encapsulate functionality, making it easier to maintain and reuse code across your projects. Using ES6 modules, you can export part of your code, functions, objects, or variables, import them into other files. This makes code modular and avoid pollution.